Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going antiquing at one of my favorite local antique stores. I took you guys here a couple of months ago and I filmed a couple of videos here. This place is huge, it's like 3 stories and they always have really good things. So I'm excited to go in. Last time I was here, I was able to find some great neutral pieces for my home that were all very affordable. I'm pretty sure that day I got multiple like vessels and things like that for vases and all the things for tabletop decor and stuff. And it was all like under $10, but it was really pretty like unique brass pieces and things like that. So I'm hoping to find some more of that today. I know right now in like during this time of year when it comes to decorating and things like that, it's kind of this weird in-between season where you're obviously not decorating for fall yet, but summer there's not a whole lot going on either when it comes to decor. So I like to just incorporate some neutral pieces that I can use all year long and that they go with like each season really well. So hoping I can find some good things today. Like I said, this place is huge and it's been a couple months since I've been in here, so I'm hoping to just find some different things. I feel like this place is really good about like changing things out and whatnot. I don't know, but either way, I'm super excited. But before we get into the antique store and we head inside and see all the good things, I wanted to talk to you guys about today's sponsor, which is a company called Parrot Uncle.
Parrot Uncle is a fan and lighting company that sells on sites like Home Depot, Amazon, Wayfair, and Overstock.com, and they also have their own personal website as well. They sell great quality fans and lights for your home at great prices. We chose this industrial style fan. It also comes with a remote, so not only can you control the speed of the fan itself, but you can also control the lighting as well, which is a bonus. This fan gives off a lot of air. It is very good quality and is the perfect addition to our home. We ended up adding one in our bedroom and also in Theo's nursery as well. I really love the quality of this. You can tell that it is very good quality. It's heavy duty and it's just a really nice fan. So if you guys are interested in replacing any lights or fans in your home, be sure to check out Parrot Uncle. You can look them up online and you will find all types of great quality lights and fans for your home. I do have a discount code for you guys linked down below in the description box, so that way you can save a little bit of money also. So thank you to Parrot Uncle for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Now let's get back to antiquing.
All right, I am excited to go inside, so let's head in now and see what all we can find.
I always love a good antique store, and this one does not disappoint. So they always have things from furniture to tabletop decor, wall art, different things along those lines. This specific day I found several pieces that I really liked, and they just had a lot of unique items. I could tell compared to the last time I was here, they had restocked quite a bit. So that's the beauty of antiquing and thrifting, is that you never know what you're going to find, and I recommend going at least once or twice every other week. Just to see if they had changed anything up. But like I said, this day they had a lot of great pieces to choose from. I'm always on the hunt for more found pieces. You guys know here in my home I have a lot of thrifted and antique pieces that I just like to incorporate. I just think that it sets a home apart, makes it look unique, and you can kind of create different things in your home, little vignettes and whatnot. Just give it your own flair and style. So anyway, without talking too much in this portion of today's video, I'll play some music for you guys so you can sit back, relax, and go antiquing with me. If you guys enjoy antiquing and thrifting, let me know down in the comments what are some of your favorite things that you have found. I know for me personally, I love finding unique furniture and whatnot, and I just think that it creates a very unique space in a home and just shows your personality. So I'm curious to see what all you guys have found, so let me know down in the comments like I said. Also, I wanted to mention I'm going to be doing a Q&A in one of my upcoming videos, so if you guys have any questions related to antiquing, thrifting, lifestyle, motherhood, faith, anything along those lines, let me know down in the comments. That way we can get to know each other a little better. I want to know some things about you guys as well. So just share some fun things with me down in the comments. That way we can just have some fun and truly just become like a family here on YouTube.
Okay friends, I look like a hot and sweaty mess right now. There's like no AC in most of that building. Or like the main level there is, and then the rest is just kind of very hit or miss. But anyway, sadly I did not leave with anything today. They did have a lot of really pretty things, as you guys can see. I really like the landscape art that I found there. They had a lot of Crocs and things like that. Honestly, most of the things that they had today that I was drawn to, I either have something very similar or like I can find in a lot of places. So anyway, I didn't end up leaving anything today, so there's no haul in today's video, but nonetheless it's still fun to just get out, go antiquing, go thrifting, and just see the different things that you can find. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I plan to do tons more of these. I did notice a few booths had some fall related things. One of my favorite things was that big scalloped basket. It kind of looked like you could use it for like umbrellas or something like that, and that one was like $21, I think, which honestly was a pretty good price. I really liked that. And then oddly enough, all of the fall stems that they had inside of that basket, just kind of staged, those were for sale too, and they honestly weren't bad prices either. So I really liked that basket. And then there was a little black stool that I loved. I can't remember what the price of it was, but it was really cute. I want to find something like that to put, I don't know, either in my bathroom or like in a little just corner somewhere, even like maybe next to my couch, something like that, with like a faux plant, something along those lines, because I really like that look. But I ended up leaving that one here today. So I don't know, there's nothing just screamed like buy me, you need me kind of thing today. So I'm hoping maybe as like fall starts approaching and whatnot, I know a lot of like big retail stores have like their fall out. I obviously just did like a shop with me at Hobby Lobby recently, which I do plan to go back and do another one because my Hobby Lobby didn't have everything out the day that I was there, and I'm also just wanting to go back and get some floral stems that I'm wanting to incorporate into my house this year. So I probably will be filming another one of those. If there's anywhere else that you guys would like to see for fall, let me know down in the comments, because that's kind of what my mind is thinking about lately when it comes to decorating. And I'm also just wanting to switch some things up in our house. I'm wanting to paint some walls, rearrange some furniture, things like that. I don't know if I'm the only one that this happens to, but like if I'm home for an extended amount of time, like days or weeks at a time, with not really getting out much and doing things, I sit in my house and I'm like, okay, we need to refresh this, we need to refresh that. I don't know, maybe it's just me, I highly doubt it. But anyway, nonetheless, thank you guys so much for being here today. I hope the next thrifting and antiquing venture we go on, we can find some good things. But I'll probably wait a little more into August to do another one, just because I don't know, like I said, I feel like they'll be switching things out a little more in like booths and different places like that. So anyway, thank you guys so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoy all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would love to have you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.